Hey guys, one of the coolest things you can do is to combine a automation tool such as n8n with your Odoo through the MCP protocol. You can update records, delete records, you can run automations, enrich data. The possibilities are almost endless. In this video, we're gonna explain how to set it up. And to do that, you need three things. One is the Odoo instance. The second one is an account with Pantalytics Pro with an active connection, and then of course n8n itself. And then starting from n8n in a workspace, you simply click Add a first step. There's two ways you can do this. You can search for the MCP itself, or in this case, let's couple it with an AI agent to make it a bit more interesting. If you are not familiar with AI agents, I recommend looking it up and starting there. So let's hook it up to a base model. In this case, it's connected to our Anthropic account. So let's give it a quick test if the API key is working. So that seems to be working fine. The way to combine your Odoo MCP is here through the Tool button, click Add, and then here in Search, you just search for MCP. The one that you would like to go for is MCP Client Tool. We did submit a standard Odoo MCP node, but that requires approval. The first question you will be asked is, what is the endpoint? And for this, you go to your MCP application in Pantalytics, scroll all the way down. You might have to expand this, and this is the URL which you are looking for. Copy it, and then simply paste it here. Leave the server transport to HTTP streamable, and then here under authentication, the one that you would like to select is MCP OAuth 2. So in this case, our credential is already set up, but actually let's show you how to set one up. Click set up credential, leave this dynamic client registration. This is very important. Leave it as allowed, so green. And then here under server URL, you want to copy this URL again and paste it. And then you can click connect. It will, if you are not logged in into Pantalytics, it will create a pop-up, login, and then the authentication flow should work, and it should say account connected. And let's give it a test. One of the first thing I would recommend is there's one method, it's called server info, and it will give you the active connection in Odoo. So what is my Odoo server info? Let's see if that fires up the MCP tool and retrieves. Yeah, this is loading. Let's see if it actually works. It's also a good test if your API key is correct for Odoo. And in this case, it's connected to this demo account, beanforge.odoo.com. So now you can have access to everything that your API key has access to, which is really cool. And I'm really pretty stoked about what you guys will be building with this. All right, ciao, ciao.